Yo, umangat pa ang mga bida sa gilas ng ningas, perlas ng silangan, lalong umangas, lalong tumalas ang pinuhunang katas ng pangarap. Lagpas sa lapaab, abante, diskarte, di bale, walang pake sa maaarte, tuloy lang at kampante, ginto lang ang diskarte, bumubulusok, umuusok, tumutusok at tagos sa bawat sulok. Mabangis kumikinang, ang lahat nahihibang, nagliliyab, nagniningning, parang pinagtagpong.
Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have our player of the game, Jericho Cruz, our winning coach, Coach George Galit of San Miguel. Coach, I'll start with you. That third quarter explosion, your team scored 42 points. What was said during the halftime huddle that fueled that performance?
Well, we just had to, pass the ball and just rely on those open shooters because first half, rain or shine was clogging the lane, and we were just forcing ourselves for layups. And then now, second half, they just learned how to kick out the ball, and Jericho and yung guards did well in shooting those threes. So great team offense.
Now, Jericho, first half, it was your import, Benny Boatwright. He was hot on the field. How does his performance inspire, challenge you guys, the locals?
Well, we all know na lahat ng defense ng Ross naka-focus kay Benny. So he's been playing well since he got here. So our job was just to make the right plays, pag open, tira. Siyempre yung mga coaching staff namin, maganda yung preparation namin coming to this game.
And I open the floor to questions from the media.
Coach, you advanced to the semifinals against either Northport or Ginebra. Your expectations going to that series against either team?
Well, we just have to wait first. Who wins that series, and then that's our time to prepare. So as of now, it's blank, and we're just in a waiting game now, and we'll just see what happens in the next series. So it's a waiting game for us, but either Northport, or in case we face Northport or Ginebra, we will be ready.
Coach, si Boatwright, what does he bring to the table that maybe the previous import wasn't able to?
He gives us space. The defense cannot collapse on him, and then Benny is a good passer, so he looks for those open teammates. So very good for us, and he's a good compliment to Big Boy, to Junmar.
How do you like that, Coach, moving forward? We noticed na minsan pinagkasabay mo yung dalawa. How important is that na
Pinagsasabay mo?
something na Junmar and Boatwright? Pinagsasabi mo sa floor.
Yeah, one Junmar is an inside presence and Benny is an outside presence. So we're very lucky to have Benny here that can help Junmar do his stuff inside the paint.
Question for Jericho. Kanina pagpasok mo dito sa media room, parang umiika-ika ka pa kasi parang natamaan ka sa balakang kanina. I believe in the third quarter. Pero hindi na bago sa'yo ang playoff basketball, but heading forward nga ito na semis na paano mo ipaprepare sarili mo sa more physicality with either Northport or Ginebra sa semifinals?
Well, we just have to stay healthy lang. Siyempre, alagaan namin sarili namin kasi alam naman natin na playoff every other day yung game. So, importante talaga yung health namin dito is coming playoff. And siyempre, kami as a player, we're here to do our job. Whether nasasaktan kami or ma-injured kami, siyempre, work namin to . So, just to suck it up and go through with the pain.
And how do you embrace that challenge na with either Northport or Ginebra, of course, physicality will still be there. Paano mo i-urge yung team to suck it up, as you said earlier?
Siguro di ko naman kailangan sabihin yun. Siyempre alam naman natin yung teammates ko, mga kanto mga veterano eh. So,
Bakit ikaw hindi?
siyempre 10 years na lang sa liga kasi. Kumbaga, kasi lahat kami dito mga...
Sabi mo kasi mga teammates mo eh.
Siyempre sila Ross eh. So it's not new to them also eh. Siguro yun nga lang, love you, coach. Ayun lang, moving forward, siguro going back to the drawing board after this game, kung sino manalo, the coaches are doing really well, preparing us for kung sino man mga kalaban namin. Kaya shout out to Coach George at mga coaching staff namin.
Coach, si Vic, inactivate nyo na si Rodney naka-uniform na Simon. Halos kompleto na kayo. What does it tell you guys?
Well, Simon was you know, he's really a nice guy. You know, he's still hurting, but you know, he said he talked to me the other day and said, you know, if we needed an extra body, he's there. So that's why he suited up already. And Rodney is the same if we needed him, but his foot still hurts. But you know, as professional players, you know, they were ready in case they were called, even injured. So I'm really proud of them.
Si Vic, coach.
Sino?
Vic Manuel.
Vic is well, he's going into rehab, and I think he's doing good. So we'll just wait and see when the doctors can clear him. But as of now, I think he's still going into rehab. But what's this again? But I'm sure Vic, when the doctor says that he's ready, I'm sure he will be ready. All right.
And that wraps up our post-game press conference. Thank you, gentlemen. Congratulations.
Inunahan kita ngayon.
Game plan, here we go, angat ang laban. Yo, umangat pa ang mga bida sa gilas ng ningas, perlas ang silangan, lalong umangas, lalong tumalas ang pinuhunang katas ng pangarap. Lagpas sa lapaab, abante, diskarte, di bale, walang pake sa maaarte, tuloy lang at kampanya.